KRS & Company is a trusted contractor for culvert repair and installation services, drainage solutions, grading and excavation, and site work development. We serve commercial, industrial, and residential properties in the Atlanta metro area. Here is what our customers say about our work.
We were extremely impressed with Kevin and his team. They are professional and efficient, and communicated regularly throughout our complicated culvert replacement.
Kevin is trustworthy, easy to work with, and gets the job done efficiently. I highly recommend KRS & Company.
Get a free quote from KRS for your project.